Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-LDM in the color Midnight Blue. That's our dimmer in Midnight Blue. Let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get two sets of instructions with the dimmer. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we will remove the plate for installation. First, you're going to want to take your dimming knob off, just like that. And then the plate is nice and simple. Grab at the edges with your fingertips and then just push forward with your palm. It comes off nice and easy, just like that. At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Excuse me. At the front here is the dimming mechanism. It's also sealed in there with a lock nut and washer so that there's no movement on the back there. Flipping it on over, at the top here, you'll notice that it has the BS, or better known as the British Standard stamp at the top there. So you can buy this product with peace of mind. It has 3 terminal hole screws on the back here, our nice trendy logo there, and a brief summary of what the dimmer is capable of. Okay, we'll put our plate back on. Okay, just like that. We'll put our knob back on. Okay, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. On the one side is all of our different social media platforms that we're on. If you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right hand corner here, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And then let's take a look at that other instructional leaflet. This is our dimmer instructional leaflet that only comes specifically with our dimmers. Okay? So just real quickly, you have the dimensions, how to properly wire it, and the disposal information there, how to properly dispose of it. Okay, a more in-depth summary as to what this dimmer can do, its wattage and its load, the installation process, and how to properly operate it. Okay, and then finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-LDM for the dimmer, and MD for Midnight Blue. We have our barcode here, and in the top left here is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi page, and you can see our full range of Trendi products there. And then finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.